No weapon formed against me shall prosper. No. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't posted on my YouTube, but I'm trying to get better at YouTube. So this will be like, the year is about to end, but this will be like my first video on YouTube since this year started. But I am back, and yeah. So right now I'm gonna be making lunch. Not like, I'm just gonna be parking food for my partner because he's gonna go to work. So I'm gonna make his food, and then I got some stuff from Bath and Body Works. And I'm also gonna show you guys. So basically I'm just gonna show you guys like what I do in the night. I have to clean up, but not right now. I'll clean up tomorrow. So this is like his lunch bag. So every night I usually make him food before he go to work. So it's like my little thing I like to do. So this like his lunch bag, and yeah, I'm gonna make him food, and then I already have his lunch stuff in here. So we basically just gonna get everything together and try to make him something. So, and when like making food, it's like me like just warming up stuff for him so he can get something to eat cause he work nights. So in here we have like rice, and I'm gonna do rice and noodles cause he really don't eat like everything. He usually eat like different stuff. So you have to basically like mix them together. But his food is almost done. Tonight is like his last night to work, so that is that. And we're just gonna heat this up in the microwave. Take this out, heat it up for, I like to put like 15 minutes because I just don't make him food. I warm food and then I make hot water. So just to make him food, sometimes it take me like 15 to 20 minutes because he's very specific. And then we have some leftover from Thanksgiving. And this like the hot water I made yesterday. He didn't take that to work. And this is the pepper sauce. And but I also made pepper sauce is in the bowl, so I'm gonna mix those two together. This one my mother, she made this for Thanksgiving, and she also made him noodles. So I'm gonna put some in here, and then we're gonna mix. I'm gonna heat that up too. Like I said, he don't eat like one thing. See, him, you have to make like few stuff for him, but that is that. And then I made this one. I made it like a few days ago. So this is like the last one. And we're just gonna heat this up for him. So my partner, he's like vegan. Is it vegan or vegetarian? He don't eat no meat. So I have a lot to catch up with you guys on. It's so much.